Hey, it's Jay Maxwell again. I just want to apologize for the awkward angle with me outside of the camera, but to give some perspective, I am camera left about 12 o'clock from the position of the model. I'm also using the same 7-foot octa that I used in part one. So if you haven't seen part one, I'm going to put a link in the description somewhere or add a card somewhere within the video. All right, enjoy. Chin more over this way.
Her areola on this one.
Yeah, that's just a stubborn dress. We're not gonna stay long in this one. 1, 2.
We're still in good timing though. It's just about to hit 7.
There we go. Let's do that one more time, and then that'll be the shot for this.
One drop.
Yeah. One drop. One drop. 1, 2, go. Yeah, we got it.
Yep. That was quick. I love working with y'all.
Listen. Go ahead, stay just like that. 1, 2, 3. Get it like this right here. 1, 2.
She did her thing on your makeup.
Some smiling ones, but just give me some more face. I love.
Oh, that's cool. I love your leg up.
Yeah. Yeah, but just give me some more face, like boom, boom. I'm wearing these. I'm killing these. 1, 2, boom, boom. Yes, ma'am. Bam, bam.
What's your Instagram? B. Oh wait, don't talk.
Love these. All right, we got these. We got these. Oh shit. Okay, go back in the sorry. 1, 2. I thought I did. Yep. Stay just like that, okay? 1, 2. Okay, we got it. Oh, yes. Stay just like that. Beautiful chin this way for me a little bit. There we go. 1, 2. Yeah, Cloud's gonna kill me if I don't get any close-ups of these. 1, 2. There we go. Gorge. Beautiful. Stay just like that, and just your chin turn towards the light. There we go, right there. 1, 2. There we go. Do it again, so chin up a little bit again for me. There we go, right there. 1, 2. Yes, ma'am. Turn the chin a little bit more towards the light, yeah. Chin a little bit more towards the light, just chin. Yeah, boom, boom, that's it right there. Yes, ma'am. All right. 1, 2, boom, boom. Look at that right there. Look how epic, look at that. 1, 2. Chin up again. Oh, you know what? I kind of like you looking at me. Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, boom. Beautiful. Okay, 1, 2. Kind of like, so eyes down, kind of looking down at your shoulder there. There we go. 1, 2. Let me see how those are coming out. Oh, beautiful. Yes, right there. There we go. 1, 2. Yeah, I'm trying to. Hey.
Yes, lady. Point them toes, girl. Yes. Yeah, that's hot.
Oh, let me just get this to focus. There we go. Oop, that's not it. Give me a little. There we go. That's it. There we go.
And your friend would be happy to see these pictures too. So you can see the dress.
Oh, that's it. I don't even have to do no more. Look at this one.
Let me see.
Look at that right there.
Right there.
That's it. No, that's it. That's it.
Oh yeah, that's it.
We got it. That's it.
Pause.